What's going on YouTube? Brandon Lechuga here, and welcome to 303 Streets. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to 303 Streets. This is Brandon Lechuga, and today we are going to be working on the Nissan Rogue, doing the rear differential fluid. So let's just show you some of the things you're going to need really quick. One thing you're going to need is a size 10 Allen key. So that's what I'm using to get the drain bolts off. Clearly here's one of them. And this is actually the drain bolt that I'm cleaning up. And I've been cleaning it, as you can see. It's extremely dirty. And this is what we're going to use to fill up the fluid again, the differential fluid. So anyways, let's just go over here really quick. So this is what you're going to need. GL5 SAE 80W90 gear oil. And you're going to come back to the rear of the car, as you can see. And I'm letting it drain currently. So there's the drain bolt right there. And above it's the fill bolt. To get to the fill bolt, you have to go through that. So you'll need an extender and go through there, right there, to get to that one, and then the drain. So when you do this, you're gonna wanna break the fill bolt first, because if you can't get the fill bolt off and you drain it, then you're SOL, you're really screwed. So always break the top bolt before the lower one. And as you can see, it's kind of dirty, so I'm gonna clean it up, letting the rest of this kind of drain out, and then I will fill it. So you fill it until it overflows. So you're gonna fill it with your fluid. I'm gonna pump it back in, and once it starts to slightly overflow, I'll stop pumping the fluid in, and then I'll put the fill bolt back on. There's the fill bolt. So drain bolt has like magnetic catch on it, and to catch like gunk and stuff and some of the metal shards that come out. And the fill bolt is just pretty regular. So that's how you do the rear differential. Pretty simple. And this is a 2017 Nissan Rogue. And again, I showed you the fluid. And then here's the pump I'm using to get everything back in. I bought it from Harbor Freight for like 10 bucks. Really simple, really easy. Yeah, so if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave one at the bottom. I will also be eventually doing the front fluids as well. Same oil or same gear oil. But yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Like, subscribe, and have a good day. Thank you.